Good morning, everyone. Today I will present about my paper about evaluation of e-commerce service quality using Faji AHP and Topsys. Introduction. Based on a survey conducted by the Central Statistic Agency or BPS in 101 districts or cities in all provinces in Indonesia in 2019, it shows that of all data collection efforts, only 15.08% were e-commerce business. This shows that the business done via the internet is still very low. The reason the business owner not using the e-commerce is they are the biggest reason for business owner not using e-commerce is they are more comfortable selling in person. Based on this data, it can be seen that the business actors are still comfortable doing business offline. This shows that the customers who transact offline are very large. The low utilization of e-commerce can be caused by several obstacles, one of which is the customer trust. The customer trust will be built when customer needs and customer satisfaction are met through quality standards. So the customer satisfaction becomes an important parameter in building a sustainable business. There are three research purposes in this paper. The first one is to determine the criteria and sub-criteria in the quality of e-commerce service. The second one is to select e-commerce with the best service quality based on criteria that have been the consensus of expert using the Fuzzy AHP. And the third is to rank e-commerce with a customer-to-customer business model using the Topsys method. The research method, the first one, Delphi. The Delphi method is used to determine the criteria and sub-criteria in assessing the quality of e-commerce service. The second method is Fuzzy AHP, used to weight each criteria and rank. The ranking is done by using the aggregate weight score approach. And the third one is Topsys, used to choose alternative that have the closest distance from the positive ideal solution and the farthest from the negative ideal solution. This is the Delphi method. The sub criteria that have have agreed by the expert. There are four expert or respondent that choosing this criteria to assess the service quality of e-commerce. As you can see there, the total of criteria that are agreed is 21 sub criteria. Here is the hierarchy to the hierarchy in assessing the quality of e-commerce service quality. After we get the sub criteria, we go to the analytical hierarchy process where we calculate the consistency ratio, and here we get the consistency ratio where all the criteria and sub-criteria is consistent. Next, we go to the eigenfactor of each level, where we can see that the eigenfactor in criteria that have the biggest eigenfactor is the assurance factor, and the sub-criteria with the biggest value of eigenfactor is the transparency of costs paid by customers, and that is Tokopedia, who have the largest value of the sub criteria parameter. Okay, this all the sub criteria eigenfactor value. The results of weight calculation on the quality of e-commerce service with Faji AHP method, we get that Tokopedia is the best e-commerce with service quality. based on Fuzzy method approach. Fuzzy AHP method approach. That next we go to Fuzzy AHP top 6. We also get Tokopedia, the best e-commerce with service quality. And then we get Bukalapak, and the third one Alphania, and then the last is Shopee. The conclusion: the determination of criteria for evaluating the quality of e-commerce service is carried out using the DLP method. By using the DLP method, the consensus has been found from experts regarding the criteria from selecting e-commerce with the best service quality. The total sub-criteria agreed upon the expert in e-commerce selection is 21 sub-criteria. Based on the results of Fuzzy AHP calculation, Tokopedia was chosen as the best e-commerce service quality. This because Tokopedia has a high eigen factor or high weight on the product return service sub-criteria 0.3135, and the correct service delivery 0.5536. While these sub-criteria are the most important sub-criteria according to experts on each of the criteria, namely assurance and reliability. Based on the comparison between the criteria, the assurance factor is the most important criteria according to among other criteria, followed by reliability, responsiveness, empathy, and tangible. Uh, Here is my presentation. Thank you for your attention.